Welcome back. Now news from sports. Dempo Sports Club striker Koko Sakibo feels Indian football has become faster and as demanding as English Premier League. The I-League often loses out on fans as Goans prefer watching the pacey and demanding EPL. However, Koko Sakibo says Indian football has reached EPL standards, and the Nigerian says this from his playing experience in India. The 25-year-old says there is added pressure on him to score goals after goal machine Ranti Martins' departure from Dempo.
Would you rather watch Manchester United take on Arsenal or Dempo take on Churchill Brothers on television? The answer is sad but true. Goans would rather watch the Premier League than the I-League, even though this small state has as many as 4 clubs in India's top tier of Indian club football. But Nigerian Koko feels Indian football is faster than EPL now and as such should attract more fans.
Now Indian and Goan football is becoming quicker than normal?
Very, very, very fast. Even when I watch Premiership game, it's not as, they say Premiership game is very fast. But when I watch, for me, I don't see the Premiership game as fast as Indian football is. Indian football is becoming so fast. I know the year I came, it was not this fast, but for now, it's becoming very, very fast. They don't allow you to even hold the ball. So the game is very fast now.
Koko gives due respect to Englishman Rohan Ricketts and feels the duo can score goals for the Blues.
Definitely there will be pressure on me because the whole team is looking up to me as Ranti has left, you know. But I believe with the experience Ricketts has, I think we can work together and do our best.
After coming from Vasco, how do you find yourself at Dempo? Are you happy there? Are you happy with the role you're given up front? Happy with the management and coaching staff?
Of course, I'm very, very, very happy with the management, the players, mostly the players because they cheer me very well. You know, they are like brothers to me. I played, at least I played with Vasco. It was different altogether. The Dempo players, they took me as a brother. They cheer me up. Even when I'm trying, my shoulders is going down, they try to pull me up. So I'm happy with the management.
Often called sluggish and slow, Koko is unwilling to accept this tag.
Of course, I know myself I can last more than 90 minutes. But I believe the Dempo strategy is the coach has his way of doing things. Maybe he feels the player is depressed, maybe he's not doing what he wants to do. I mean, he wants to try something else. It's not that he doesn't last for 90 minutes. For me, I know our last final game in Federation Cup, I know I played 120 minutes.
Tulsidachari, sports reporter Nikhil Pereira for Prudent.
Jane and Karen Estrosio are two bright young karatekas. Their sister duo did state proud and recently concluded second WASKA International Karate Championship. Karate coach Uday Zamaulikar has appealed the government to assist these two karatekas and help them participate in future tournaments.
Coach Uday Zamaulikar gave some details of Jane and Karen Estrosio's performances.
हे पण आमचे गोंयचे परफॉर्मन्स बेस्ट जाले आणि आता इंटरनॅशनल चॅम्पियनशीप जाल्लो. या इंटरनॅशनल चॅम्पियनशिपाक साऊथ आफ्रिका, युगांडा एंड केनिया, इंडिया, नेपाल एंड श्रीलंका टीम आसलेली. आणि हे पाट माझे स्टुडंट्सांनी इतलो म्हाका प्राउड केलो, इतले मेडल हाडले जिखोन, गोल्ड मेडल. आमी हे पाट इंटरनॅशनल 10 गोल्ड, 4 सिल्वर हाडले, 5 ब्रॉन्झ हाडले. आणि आता माझ्या फुड्यान आसा कॅरन स्ट्रोसियो, जेन स्ट्रोसियो. आता कंटिन्यू चॅम्पियन जातला. स्टेट चॅम्पियनशीप 2 पाट हाडल्या तेणे, नॅशनल 3 पाट हाडल्या, आता इंटरनॅशनल चॅम्पियनशीप हाडली तेणे.
आणि यांचो आता कितें फुडार आहा, तुवें कितें प्लॅन केला तांकां खंयचे टुर्नामेंट्स पार्टिसिपेट करपाक?
तांकां आतां फुडें टुर्नामेंटाक आतां म्हणजे आतां इंटरनॅशनल आनीक जातले आउट ऑफ इंडिया वचपाक. आनी हांव गव्हर्मेंटा कोण मागतलो प्लीज. आनी आमचे भुरग्यांक हांवूय पयलो इंटरनॅशनल वचून जिखून येयल्लो पूण म्हाका कोणाचो आदार नासलेलो.
The Estrosio sisters spoke to Prudent about their future plans and their love for karate.
I like fighting and doing kata. I like kumite. I like to fight and kumite and kata. I did not find tough things when they fight with me. And they were fighting, I was winner. And I got gold medals.
Now, what do you plan in the future? What do you want to do ahead in this sport of karate?
I want to do more championship to win this medal and trophies. I want to participate in this karate tournament and I want to win the medals and trophies.
With video journalist Sushant Pad, sports reporter Nikhil Pereira.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa. You can also meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.